What is your name?
My name is Vihan.
In which school are you studying?
First step.
In which class are you studying?
HSC.
Okay. And who is our Prime Minister?
Narendra Modi.
Okay. Who is our President?
Narendranath Taidu.
Who is our President? President? Draupadi? Draupadi? Murmu. Okay. And what is our national bird name? Okay. And what is our national tree name?
Banyan.
And what is our national anthem? Okay, stop. And what is our national song?
Monday Mataram.
Okay, and what is the name of our national river?
New River.
River. Ganges. And what is our national flower?
Tamar.
Lotus. Yes, in English, lotus. Okay, and what is our national fruit? Wow, look at that. Wow. And what is our national fruit? National fruit. Yes. What is our national fruit? Okay. Then tell me, what is our national animal name? Huh? You don't want to give me answer. Okay, tiger. And what is our national fruit name?
Mango.
Wow. And how many days in a week?
7 days.
Okay, and how many season in a year?
7 days.
Yes, 7 days bolo.
Monday.
Sunday. Start from Sunday. Okay, start from Sunday. Sunday. Huh? Huh?
Wednesday.
Yes.
Thursday.
Friday.
Saturday.
Sunday. Okay. And how many season in a year? 3. Okay. And which 3 season? Bolo. Winter. Summer. Rainy. Okay. Bye. Good night.
आपको ये हमारा वीडियो पसंद है तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू।